Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can subtract number in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, select the cell which you want to subtract the number. So after that, use the formula right here equal, and then select that number from which you want to minute other quantity. So after that, use the symbol of mathematical operation minus. After that, select that quantity which you want to minute. So after that, hit enter button. So you can see all is okay. So in this way you can subtract numbers in Excel. So guys, similarly you can subtract other values. So you can subtract other values by simple method. So click the first cell from which you created a formula. So after that, click on left side of mouse and drag to the end. So you can see all values is subtracted easily. So guys, in this way you can subtract any values in Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.